Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is your teacher Hina. I hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today dear students, we are going to understand the paper pattern of a very important O-level paper, and this is Islamiyat paper. Achha, let me tell you one thing. If we talk about Islamiyat paper, so in O-levels, as we know, O-levels it is divided into like GCE O-levels, and then we have IGCSE system as well. So in both systems we have same paper pattern of Islamiyat, we have same syllabus distribution, we have same time duration, we have same distribution of marks for Islamiyat. Okay, so each and everything is same. This code 2058, it is of GCE O levels, and then 0493, this code is for IGCSE. I am sure this is clear to all of you. Alright, so now we are going to understand the paper pattern. As we know this thing कि भाई in Islamiyat there are two papers, P1 and then P2. So in this video we are going to understand the paper pattern of P1. फिलहाल we are going to understand P1 paper pattern. Alright, so in P1 how many questions are provided? In P1 total 5 questions will be provided to you. Total 5 questions will be there. Alright, out of these 5 questions, the question number 1 and 2, these two questions are compulsory questions. You people can't skip these two questions. Alright, and then after question 1 and question 2, how many questions are left? 3 questions are left. Okay, so out of these 3 questions you will have to attempt any two of your choice, and you will have to skip only one question. So in this way, total questions that you people are going to attempt in this paper, they are question 1, 2 and then 2 other questions, right? So total 4 questions are supposed to be attempted by all of you out of 5 questions. Okay, now let's discuss the question 1, a very important compulsory question. Question 1, this question will be asked from the chapter Quranic passages. Quranic passages. How many passages are the part of your syllabus? Total 15 passages are present in your syllabus. Total 15 passages, okay, in your syllabus. But in paper, 3 passages will be given. 3 passages will be given to you. In which language? Like if we have Surah Ikhlas, ठीक है, Surah Falak, Surah Nas, Surah Kausar, right? Surah Zuha. So if we talk about these surahs or the passages of Holy Quran, so their Arabic plus English translation will be provided to you. ठीक है, the Arabic, right? Like the way Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. So entire surah will be present in front of you in Arabic, and then its English translation will also be given to you. अब आपने करना क्या है? You are not supposed to write the translation in Urdu. No. For question 1, that is of 8 marks, ठीक है, you are supposed to attempt any 2 passages. ठीक है, 3 will be given to you and you are supposed to attempt any 2 passages. Okay, अच्छा, how these 8 marks are divided, ठीक है, या how this question 1 sub questions are made. Question 1 is divided into 2 parts, ठीक है, A part and then B part. A part is of 4 marks and then B part is again of 4 marks. 4 plus 4, 8, ठीक है. Okay, question the A part, that is of 4 marks. In this part you are supposed to write about the main theme, or main theme ko we give another name as well, that is central idea, right? Central idea. So you people are supposed to write the main theme of the 2 selected passages out of these 3 that are given to you. ठीक है, so after writing the main theme, ठीक है, and each main theme carries 2 marks. Okay, then we have B part of the same passages that you have selected, ठीक है ना, that you have selected. So for these passages now you are supposed to write the importance, ठीक है ना. First, like for example, I am giving you an example, like we are given with 3 passages, and these are Suratul Zuha, Suratul Kausar, and then Suratul Nas, and you have selected Zuha and Nas. ठीक है, so in A part for 4 marks you will be writing the main theme of Zuha and then Nas, and then in B part you will be writing the importance of Zuha and then Suratul Nas. So in this way your first question is done. I hope this is clear to all of you. Alright, then come to question number 2. Again another compulsory question. This question is of 14 marks. 14 marks is divided into how it is divided like this: A part of 10 marks and then B part of 4 marks. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 marks you can estimate from the number 10 is more than 4, so it means that you are supposed to give a detailed answer in this part. Okay, so this question will be asked from chapter History and Importance of Holy Quran. History and Importance of Holy Quran. In this part, the things are mentioned about the revelation of Holy Quran, like how was Holy Quran revealed, and then how was Holy Quran compiled, who contributed in this important task, right? The task of compilation of Holy Quran, and then the importance of Quran, Hadith, Ijma, Qiyas. ठीक है, these types of things are the part of this chapter. ठीक है, so question number 2 will be asked from this chapter. Now beta come to question number 3. It is again of 14 marks, A part of 10 and then B part of 4 marks. Alright, acha, one more thing, B part, the question that will be asked for B part, it will be related to A part. ठीक है ना, it will be in relation with A part. Okay, so then question number 3 again of 14 marks. It will be asked from a very important chapter, a very detailed, lengthy chapter of your Islamiyat book, and this chapter is Life and Importance of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, so question number 3 will definitely be from this chapter. ठीक है, और you can say कि at least one question will definitely be asked from this chapter. One question. So, but we have something like this. देखें, I have mentioned here question number 3 कहाँ से आएगा? From life and importance of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. All right. So one more question can also be asked of 14 marks from this chapter. One more question can also be asked, right? Okay. So, let me tell you something about this chapter. This chapter, as it is mentioned that it is about the life of Holy Prophet. So, definitely first Makki life will be discussed of Holy Prophet. Then Madni life. Then his qualities, how much kind he was, how was his attitude with people, right beta? So these type of things are the part of this chapter. All the battles will be discussed in this chapter. All right, so one question to hai, it will definitely be asked, but chances hai कि another question can also be made from this chapter. Okay. So now last question number 4. Question number 4 again of 14 marks. अच्छा भाई, अभी तक तो I think this thing is clear to you कि only the one question, the question 1 is of 8 marks. Rest of the questions are asked for 14 marks. Clear? So the last question of 14 marks, it will be asked from the chapter the first Islamic community. The first Islamic community. I hope that you will have the idea. The first Islamic community, it means that the 12 Imam, the wives or the mothers of faithful wives of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then descendants of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, scribes of divine revelation. ठीक है? So these types of categories are the part of this chapter. So one question is necessary. ठीक है? One question will definitely be asked from this chapter, the first Islamic community of 14 marks. अब सुने, देखें, if 2 questions, एक तो important है, एक तो necessary है भाई. One question will be asked from life and importance of Holy Prophet and one from the first Islamic community. 14 यहाँ से, 14 यहाँ से. अब one more question is left. In the beginning of video, I told you that total 5 questions will be there. So what about that 5th क्वेश्चन वो कहाँ से आएगा? दैट क्वेश्चन, जो एक एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन हमारे पास बन रहा है, उसी क्वेश्चन के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे आई हैव मेंशन्ड द थिंग्स के वन मोर क्वेश्चन ऑफ 14 मार्क्स, या तो इट विल बी फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर, और फिर यहाँ आई हैव अगेन मेंशन्ड वन मोर क्वेश्चन ऑफ 14 मार्क्स, आइदर इट कैन बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर. अच्छा, let's see the now we are going to calculate the marks for this paper 1. Question 1 of 8 marks. I am again writing it here. Question 1 of 8 marks. Question 2 of 14 marks. Question 3 of 14 marks. And then यहाँ पे मैं लिख देती हूँ, ये देखें 1, 2, 3 and then 5. These are of 14 marks and then the question 1 of 8 marks. What about the question number 4? बेटा it is also of 4 marks, but देखो ये वाला जो question number 3 है ना, it is going to be asked from chapter Life of Holy Prophet. ये तो done है. One question from this chapter. Similarly, one question यानी कि question 5 या तो कह लो, one question will definitely be from the first Islamic community. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आपके पास बन रहा है, इट कैन आइदर बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम चैप्टर होली प्रॉफिट्स लाइफ और द फर्स्ट इस्लामिक कम्युनिटी. आई होप द थिंग्स आर क्लियर टू यू, एंड इन द सेकेंड वीडियो आई विल बी टेलिंग यू अबाउट द पेपर पैटर्न ऑफ P2 paper. I hope the things are clear to you. If you still have any query, so you can ask from me the queries in the comment section. Thank you so much.